everyone, and welcome back to day number 5 of At the Cross, or Love Ran Red by Chris Tomlin. So today we're not going to learn anything new. We're going to walk through and practice everything we've learned in the past 4 videos. Video number 1 was verse 1, video number 2 was the chorus, video number 3 was verse 2, video number 4 was the bridge. Today we're putting it all together and walking through the whole song top to bottom. But before we do that, remember, housekeeping, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the description, you'll find lots of helpful links, like printing off the lyrics. I have mine right here, just slightly off camera. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's get started right away. So there's a place where mercy reigns. Remember, we're doing lives there, but you could do reigns if you'd like to. Lives and never dies. There's a place where streams of grace flow deep and wide, where all the love I've ever found comes like a flood, comes flowing down. And then the chorus, at the cross, I surrender my life. I'm in awe of you. I'm in awe of you. Where your love ran red and my sin washed white. I owe all to you. I owe all to you, Jesus. Okay. Now there's a little bit of musical interlude here. I often start verse 2 early. Don't make the same mistake as me. But when it does start, it's there's a place where sin and shame are powerless. Okay? Where my heart has peace with God and forgiveness. Where all the love I've ever found comes like a flood, comes flowing down. Then back to the chorus. At the cross, I surrender my life. I'm in awe of you. I'm in awe of you. Where your love ran red and my sins washed white. I owe all to you. I owe all to you, Jesus. It doesn't say Jesus there, but I do believe there's a Jesus. Okay, then it goes to the bridge. Here my hope is found. Here on holy ground. Here I bow down. Here I bow down. Here, arms open wide, or arms open wide. Here, you saved my life. Here I bow down. Here I bow. Okay, and then back to the chorus. At the cross, I surrender my life. I'm in awe of you. I'm in awe of you. Where your love ran red and my sins washed white. I owe all to you. I owe all to you. I owe all to you. I owe all to you, Jesus. And Jesus. And then it says your love ran red twice. Your love ran red. Your love ran red. And then depending on your version, it might keep going and say, the Savior of the world, the Savior of the world. Good work, everyone. I'm so proud of everyone that's made it this far. If you're having trouble, don't worry about it. It takes some people a little longer than others. I know there's certain songs that I just get hung up on for no real reason. I just have a section of signs that are not going together well for me. Everyone's different. And remember, this is a heart thing, not a hand thing. God cares about our heart. So stick with it, and I'll see you at the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.